Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand article and aside HTML5 elements. So let's try to understand this concept by using definitions. The article element represents a self-contained composition in a document, page, application or site. So we can think of it as a standalone piece of content that makes sense on its own. So any such content which is making some sense and it is a standalone piece of content which is trying to describe certain piece of content. Such kind of content will get placed in article. So you can see this as a general real world articles that are available, news articles. So a piece of news which is having its own meaning, which makes some sense. Such kind of content will get placed in article element. What about aside element? The aside element represents a portion of document whose content is only indirectly related to the document's main content. So a portion of content which is indirectly related to the main content. Such kind of content we call it as aside element. We can think of it as a content that is related but not essential to the main flow. It is related but it is not essentially the main flow of the content. Such kind of content will get placed in aside element. So what is the use that we're going to get? We can place all this content in divisions also, div elements also. But by placing the content by using these HTML5 elements will provide some meaningful documents. So it is very easy if you provide the content in this way. Just by seeing we can say that this part of content is the main article and within this article there is certain piece of content which is aside, which is related but not into the main flow. So that kind of understanding we are going to get from these HTML5 elements. So let's try to understand this concept by using an example. Here is an example. So this example is going to help us understand article and aside. I am creating an article and this article is discussing about the benefits of learning HTML. So itself is a standalone content, means it is having certain meaning. Okay, so the benefits of HTML is provided here and within this we are having an aside content. Aside content means it is related but it is not into the main flow. So as we are discussing the benefits of HTML, here we are having a fun fact. So what does this fun fact is representing is, did you know that the first website was created in 1991? It is related to HTML, but it is not into the main flow. It is not essential. It is not is the main flow of the content. The main flow of the content is discussing the benefits of HTML. Whereas this aside content is discussing some point related to the HTML, but it is not into the main flow of the content. So let's see the output. So how it will get displayed, that we will see. So this is the main content and here is the fun fact. Just by seeing this we may not be able to understand that, but the readers of the code will get easily understand, will be able to understand the content very easily. For example, the search engine optimization bots, search bots will easily understand what kind of content is presented in this web page. So if you are able to use the HTML5 content, HTML5 elements, it will make some meaningful content. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. If you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.